Right guys, today we're going to be making a simple balsamic vinegar dressing. What you'll need is an egg yolk, Dijon mustard, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper. Let's get into it. Separate the egg. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add some balsamic vinegar. That was about 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Some salt. Some pepper. And now we'll emulsify the oil into the egg yolk and the Dijon mustard. So just give it a whisk and slowly add oil. Nice and slowly so it doesn't split. And it should get thicker. So that was about 1 cup of oil, and that's a good consistency there. This is a Greek salad we made earlier. If you want to see that video, just let us know in the comments and we'll do a video on that. Now the balsamic vinegar, it's nice and thick, it hasn't split. Add a couple of dollops on there. More, then just give that a mix. And that's how you do a simple balsamic dressing for a salad.